How's it going, guys? Today is that day. And what do I mean by that? Recently I was back over at a local gun store where I know some of the guys that work there, and one of them that I regularly talk to every time I go in there recently asked me if I had a chance to shoot my Riley Defense AK, and at that time I had not. I know you're watching, so this video is for you. We are out at the range today with my Riley Defense AK-47 AK. This is an absolutely beautiful gun. I absolutely love the way that this thing looks. Have not had a chance to shoot it yet, but that changes right now. The sights, I'm sure they may be just a bit off, but I basically just want to get the first few rounds out, kind of get an idea of where the hold is on it currently, but I do know that I'm going to have to adjust these sights. But for now, what we're going to do is simply get a few rounds on target. So, here we go. Our first shots from the Riley Defense AK.
A few moments later.
Trying to figure out where to hold. I went just a little bit above that target, so I'm going to try going a little lower on my aim. There we go. Yeah, we're getting it zeroed in now. The sights seem to be hitting just a little bit high and to the left. No big deal. I can adjust that out later, but for right now, let's just finish off this magazine. That was the last two shots. Not a single malfunction. Here we go, guys. Looks like we are about to come into a storm, so I'm fixing to be wrapping up this video and just wanted to take a few minutes to show you guys a little bit better view of this absolutely beautiful firearm. Guys, let me know your thoughts about the Riley Defense AK down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Check out all the rest of the videos on my channel. Be sure to subscribe. Check out all the links down in the description, and we'll see you next time.